YouTube, this is MacGyver_me. I'm sitting here in my skid steer. I'm picking up my brush hog today. It's coming in on delivery on a semi-truck. So I'm just down at the end of my drive waiting for it to show up. And then I got to just drive up to the back and off the back of the semi. So stay tuned. Exciting. All right, I think this might be it, driving down here right now. See the semi right there? Yep, that's him. He's pulling into the middle median.
All right, stay tuned.
You might be asking yourself, why am I recording this for a YouTube channel? Well, I'm adding this to the platform of my business. So if you're in the Hendersonville or Henderson County, North Carolina area, I'm putting this out there in the event that you might have a job that you need done, some land clearing, meaning anything that has very tall grass, weeds, brush, sucklings, maybe up to 3 inches, and you just want to get some of that land cleared, please give me a call. The number's up at the top of the screen, and I'll be happy to give you a quote on it. So thank you for watching again. Like and subscribe. All right, this is the next step, checking the rotation of the blades. Oops, it's spinning counterclockwise. It's not supposed to spin that way. So I got to change the hoses, flip them around. That would be the next step. All right, we'll check it again. All right, looks like we have success. All right, here she is. From MTL Attachments, I have the BC4. It's a 2-blade mulcher, 60-inch cut. Have it mounted on my New Holland LX 565. Everything's attached, everything's working. Now I have to take it out and give her a test cut. I'll bring back another video for that. Well, please like and subscribe this channel, MacGyver_me. This is where you can find me doing a whole bunch of different things. Tips and tricks on all different kind of things, from window tint and signs and graphics to tinkering with these things, mechanical, carpentry, it doesn't matter. I'll have tips and tricks on different things, so stay tuned. Thank you again for watching.